we've now set the vehicle up on the campsite. Outside we've got our electric cable in, we've got a full tank of fresh water, and we've made sure we've got gas in the system and it's opened up, ready to use. Now we need to start switching it on inside. And we're going to deal with the bottom control panel first. As you can see on the right hand side, there's 4 buttons and it actually tells you what it's doing. However, the order that we do it in is we put our master switch on and it actually tells you that the master switch is on. Then we want to put our lights on so we can see what we're doing. It might be night time. We then want to put our outside light on, like I showed you outside, so we can see what we're doing. And last but not least, put our pump on. Our pump is now active, but it's not working until you put the taps on. What else can that control panel do? 2 buttons on the bottom go through the menu. As you can see, I put nearly half a tank of fresh water in there for you. It shows you your waste levels and it shows you lots of other information. I'm not going to go through it all. It's all in the user manual. Before we go into the top one then and start putting our hot water and central heating on, what we need to do is called priming our tap. So we've got our master switch on, we've got our pump on, we go to the taps, any tap, and put our hot water tap on. To begin with, it wouldn't do that. It would spit, sputter, get water everywhere, and it's drawing all the air out of the system because you drained it last time you was in the vehicle. You're getting all the air out of the system and you're bringing cold water through your hot water container. Once we've done that, we can go to the Audi heating and start switching it on. And that is our top control panel. On the left hand side is our power button. It'll wake up, do its own inboard check, and it's showing us at the moment we're hooked up on the electric and it's 19 Celsius inside the vehicle. We want to go into the menu, so we'll press the menu button. It looks very busy. However, top one, a picture of a house with a thermometer inside it. This is our hot water and central heating combined together. So we've got our central heating at 30 degrees and our hot water is set at a set temperature of 60 degrees. If we want to turn our temperature down, we just press the menu button. And as you can see, it's slowly going down there and we can go all the way down to 5 degrees. So it's depending on what temperature you want it inside the vehicle. Remember, the top one is doing our central heating and hot water together. In the heat of the summer, when we don't want central heating on, but we want hot water, this is where we put the picture of the shower. At the moment, it's blue. We'll press the green button. That's now overridden the top one and turn our central heating off, and we've got our hot water on at 60 degrees because it's a green button there. Green's good to go. We also, next one down, picture of a lightning strikes, how much power we want to use if we're using the electric hookup. Press the plus button, green button, we're now on 1 kilowatt of electric, 2 kilowatts of electric, or we can go up to 3 kilowatts of electric. If we're wild camping and we've got no electric, we can go back down to 0 on that, put our gas light on, we still got our components working on just gas. But a good practice, if you're on a campsite using electric, put your electric on at 3 kilowatts and your gas is predominantly using your electric at the moment. However, if the campsite has a power cut or there's a problem, it will automatically jump over onto the gas because it's on dual. And it's ready to use for your oven and grill as well. That's all the control panels. All I'm going to do now is walk around, show you the oven working, show you the sinks working, and a couple more component parts within the vehicle.